how to disable or hide this scroll to top button in your WordPress site. So let's see how it's done. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Customize under the Appearance tab. Next, select the Site Style and Settings tab. Then, click on the Scroll to Top tab. By default, this Scroll to Top button is enabled. Click here and disable it to hide the Scroll to Top button. Next, click the Publish button to save your changes. To confirm, Scroll to Top button is disabled and view it in the browser. And done. The Scroll to Top button is no longer visible on your WordPress site. With this, we've come to the end of this video. Please like and comment if it was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when new content is added.